Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a refill redesign video. Her last set was just a simple pink to clear square full set, and it's been a couple weeks, so there's a lot of new growth. So I just went ahead and filed down her old design. I gave her a new tip on 2 missing fingers, one on this hand and her thumb on the other hand. I just went ahead and dehydrated and primed the natural nails, and I'm going in and putting down a thin layer of clear. On her pinky, I'm using Rain Dance Glitter by Creative Claws, picking this up with clear acrylic and pressing this around into place. Once I have that how I like it, I'm going to encapsulate with clear acrylic. So on this finger, I'm using some Bang Good powder. I mixed together pink and purple to get this color, and I'm going to fill the nail with this and encapsulate with clear. On the remaining nails, I'm going to build them all up with my Milky white acrylic. So after file shaping and buffing, I'm applying some crystal clear stones using IBD 5 seconds glue. I'm applying top coat to this finger because I'm going to do some holographic chrome from Daily Charm, and then I'll seal that in with IBD Intense Seal. And now I'm going to top coat all of the nails and cure. I'm going to do a little bit of stone action on this holographic nail, and then I will top coat once again. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of these nails. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
I need a scarecrow after what you did.